So I think workshops are definitely very important because it allows you to have that like hands-on learning opportunity and also ask the experts questions.
The workshop today, it was really great to hear all the research that the town of Stouffville had done about who was walking through the main street, to hear about the geolocations and how that could benefit our business.
As a corporate trainer myself, offering this for free to fellow entrepreneurs is amazing. And I highly recommend other business owners and professionals take advantage of these free sessions run by the town, especially upcoming sessions throughout 2026.
I found it validating that some of the things that I was already doing was talked about, but also other ideas that I can explore.
The downtown core of Stouffville is small, and to support the small businesses with future workshops, it's a great way to help us out.